I
Thank
have a
you.
question for you. I know we talk about this a lot. Well, actually, it's more of a statement than a question. And I know you would recommend this as well, is to journal.
Yes.
What was your experience? Write down what was your experience. This is what I asked for. How did it show up? Because doing that and going back and reading, oh, it did show up and it showed up this way. It's going to, the more you do that, as you said, practice, the more you do that, the easier it becomes to understand how your angels are communicating with you. And it gives you belief, it reinforces
Mhm.
that belief that, yes, they are helping you. And then you have a written record of what they're doing for you. How cool is
Mhm.
that? How cool is that?
Yes. Oh, thank you for sharing that. That just beautiful, beautiful way to help people practice and give clarity. And a lot of
Mhm,
times, yeah, writing down those questions,
mhm.
puts it in a clearer form too of what you're wanting help with, so that can be received. So yeah, the writing it down, however you journaling, however it is, but the writing it down part,
Mhm.
and even writing down what you noticed and received does allow more of that goodness to show up in the best possible ways.
Yay!
Oh, well, gosh, I can't thank you, Jennifer, and for taking this time to really help us learn about the angels and the importance of the angels. And I just love being able to share this beautiful practice that I have and support that I know is so true and real and life changing. And so thank you for, yeah, all that you've been able to share with us and for our audience here.